A plant whose leaves fold up when touched exhibits what type of movement? Thigmonasty is a non-directional nastic movement of a plant part in response to touch or vibration. This rapid response is caused by changes in turgor pressure within the pulvinous cells at the base of the leaves. Phototropism is the growth movement of a plant in response to light direction. Chemotropism is the growth of plant parts, such as pollen tubes, in response to chemical stimuli. Geotropism is the growth movement of a plant in response to gravity. When do the flowers of plant bee open their petals? Certain plants exhibit nyctinasty where flowers open at night to attract nocturnal pollinators like moths and bats. This adaptation helps the plant conserve moisture and avoid the intense heat and evaporation of the daytime. What are tendrils, twiners, and thorns examples of in plants? These structures are specialized modifications that help plants survive in specific environments by providing support, climbing ability, or protection. For instance, tendrils help climbers reach sunlight, while thorns serve as a defense mechanism against herbivores. Methods of reproduction refer to processes like pollination or seed dispersal, not structural modifications for support. Root structures are primarily for anchorage and nutrient absorption, whereas tendrils and thorns are usually modified stems or leaves. While some tendrils and thorns are modified leaves, types of leaves is too narrow a category for these diverse structural adaptations. How do plants make their own food? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to synthesize glucose and release oxygen. It is the primary source of energy for almost all life on Earth and occurs in the chloroplasts. Why can aquatic animals and plants survive in extreme conditions even when surface water freezes? Water reaches its maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius, causing the colder, less dense ice to float on top and act as an insulator. This anomalous expansion of water ensures that the bottom layers remain liquid, allowing aquatic life to survive even in freezing weather. While some animals hibernate, they cannot survive if the entire water body freezes solid into a block of ice. Extreme cold typically decreases the metabolic rate of ectothermic aquatic animals to conserve energy. Most aquatic plants and animals would suffer fatal cellular damage if they were physically encased in solid ice. Which type of plants contains chemical compounds that act against insects, fungi, and germs? Medicinal plants produce secondary metabolites like alkaloids and tannins that serve as natural defense mechanisms against pathogens and pests. These chemical compounds are utilized in pharmacology to treat various human ailments due to their antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Aromatic plants are primarily characterized by their volatile oils used in perfumes rather than their specific defensive chemical compounds. Food plants are cultivated mainly for their nutritional value and caloric content for human or animal consumption. Economic plants is a broad category referring to any plant with commercial value, which may not necessarily possess bioactive defensive chemicals. What happens to useful substances absorbed by the root in plants? Useful substances like water and minerals absorbed by the roots are transported upwards to the leaves through the xylem vessels. This transport is essential for photosynthesis, where these raw materials are used to synthesize food for the plant. Which organelles are found exclusively in plant cells? Chloroplasts are specialized organelles containing chlorophyll that allow plants to perform photosynthesis by capturing light energy. They are absent in animal cells because animals obtain energy by consuming other organisms rather than producing it themselves. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.